The Redmi Note 15 series, a global launch with early access. The highly anticipated Redmi Note 15 series is set to make its global debut, but the excitement doesn't stop there. Thanks to leaks and early listings, we are getting a sneak peek at what's in store. The series includes the Redmi Note 15 Pro 4G, Redmi Note 15, and Redmi Note 15 Pro, with some retailers offering early access even before the official announcement. The Redmi Note 15 Pro 4G is listed for €289 in Italy, featuring 8GB RAM and 256GB storage. Its specifications include a 6.77-inch OLED display, FHD plus 120Hz, the MediaTek Helio G200 chip, a 200MP main camera, and a 6,500 mAh battery with 45W charging. This model is available in various European countries, allowing customers to purchase it even before the official launch. In Germany, the Redmi Note 15 is available for €6.99 with a carrier plan and will start shipping next week. It boasts a 6.77-inch OLED display, two 392x1 1080px, Qualcomm Snapdragon 6 Gen 3, a 108MP main camera, and a 5,520 mAh Si-C battery with 45W charging. It's offered in black and glacier blue colors. The Redmi Note 15 Pro is also listed in Germany with varying contract prices. It comes in titanium, black, and glacier blue colors and is expected to retail for €399 without a contract. Its specifications include a 6.83-inch AMOLED display, 2772 by 1280px, MediaTek's Dimensity 7400 Ultra chipset, a 200MP main camera, and a 6,580 mAh Si-C battery. These early listings provide an exciting glimpse into the Redmi Note 15 series, allowing tech enthusiasts to get a head start on the global launch. However, it's important to note that the official release date and pricing may vary, and it's always advisable to wait for the official announcement to ensure you're getting the most accurate information.